Okay, this is KC Classic Cars, and today we're looking at a beautiful and comprehensively restored 1964.5 Mustang convertible. This car is a factory D code 289 4-barrel, which basically means it's an A code from the 65 and up models. It's the same thing. The car comes in a very unique factory Prairie Bronze Metallic with a factory Palomino interior. You just don't see this color combination hardly ever. And it's nice to see something that's not a Rangoon red Mustang convertible as they all seem to be repainted. So this was done back to its original colors, and the quality of the paint and bodywork is outstanding. You look at things like the quality of the door jamb and how they smoothed everything, polished everything. Look, you don't even see any seam sealer there in the corner. It was all done beautifully. And that shows up throughout the rest of the car, including places like underneath the hood and the trunk lid, where you can see how the paint, the Prairie Bronze paint, still shines and is in like new condition. The 289 is fuel injected. It comes with a FITech fuel injection carburetor, 4-barrel carburetor. It is also equipped with power steering and power disc brakes, with the disc brakes being brand new as of 2020. All the chrome has been replaced and is new, including the bumper guards, the bumpers, all of the trim, the emblems, the lower trim, rocker trim, all of that stuff. The car does have an optional passenger side mirror, which is nice to have. The driver's side mirror is remote controlled. It does come with brand new American Racing torque thrust wheels with the polished lip and the gray centers, and Hankook Optimo radial tires, which are a very high quality tire. The top is an upgraded fabric top, not the cheaper vinyl that most of them came with and are replaced with these days, but it is a fabric top, and it is in beautiful condition. It's a power top and works perfectly. It latches like it's supposed to, and the windows all roll up and meet the top frame just like they're supposed to. So there's nothing untoward going on there. I won't demonstrate it since that's not part of this video, but you can see the quality of the door panels just throughout. The quality of the upholstery is really nice. It's got seat belts for everyone. The dash has all been redone. It is in beautiful condition. Everything works, from the horn to all of the gauges, the fuel gauge, the speedometer, the odometer, even the factory AM radio that starts with a 6 instead of a 5, because that's what the early Mustangs did. They had the 6 in the AM radio instead of the 5. Full console, and it's just a beautiful driving car. It starts easily, it idles beautifully, it sounds nice, it's not obnoxious. The trunk is completely factory finished, has the correct floor mat, or excuse me, factory trunk mat, the factory spare tire cover with a brand new spare tire, ready to go if you need it. It's got the matching tool bag, and there's a brand new convertible boot cover in the bag still. So all that's nice. It's got a nice piece of, a thick piece of 3/8 wood that levels out the trunk and allows you to, be able to put stuff in there without the trunk mat being, with it staying nice and flat. And the gas tank's brand new. You can see underneath that everything is nice and clean. All new shocks, everything's been replaced under there. New suspension, front and rear. The car is just a complete and total restoration. It does come with a full complement of photos, documentation. It's like 6 inches thick, so you get a lot of information that comes along with that. The car drives beautifully, and it starts easily, whether it's hot or cold, day or night. You just gotta turn it on. It's got an electronic fuel pump. You let that run for a second, and then it starts right up, and that's what it does. So it doesn't have any valve train noise, nothing like that. The motor and transmission were both rebuilt. It's quiet, nice idle. Like I said, power steering, power disc brakes, makes for a very easy drive. So this car has a lot going for it that a lot of other Mustangs don't. From the unique colors to the quality of the body and paint, to the being a 64.5 is kind of unique, meaning it's a very, very early Mustang. This is the car. This is the one you want. And And it is ready to drive. It is ready to take to car shows. I love the color. It's just so beautiful in the sunlight. And it is completely finished. It really just needs nothing. So, if you're interested, call me. 913-461-4890. My name's Doug, KC Classic Cars, and this is a 64.5 Ford Mustang convertible. Thank you.